Freedom of the Seas, room 6324. You have a mirror when you first walk in and a ledge. You can put stuff on. This area is also perfect for parking a scooter. You have some hooks right here behind the door. Let's go into the bathroom. You have more hooks on the door, hooks on the wall, clothesline, 2 shelves in the bathroom. You have your shower head, your stationary shower head, grab bars and shower seat, your drains, drain here, toilet, phone in the bathroom. You have your towel rack, plenty of storage space behind the bathroom sink. So look at all of that storage space. Towels and your trash can. Come out, you have your closet. So you have a short closet right here with shelves. Then the main closet has your hangers, your life jackets, more shelves, and space for your luggage. And there's the room itself, and underneath the bed you may also store your luggage. You have a sofa, nightstand on each side, lamps right there on each side, no outlets by the bed, but you have a phone by the bed, and you have a master switch for the main lights in the cabin, your TV, your safe, your refrigerator, which opens on this end. Voila. On the desk, you have only 2 outlets, light switch, then your European plug here. You have drawers on one side, your sitting chair, but you have some extra storage space right here on both sides. And another shelf right here above the TV. You have a sitting chair, and then of course we have the balcony. Come to the balcony, turn up to open. Then as you open it, you will have the ramp drop down. And then you have 2 chairs, sitting chairs, 2 lounge chairs. Very large balcony. Very spacious. Big enough for a scooter to come out. Barely, but there is enough space. As you can see, we're in Fort Lauderdale. And this is your accessible ocean view balcony on Freedom of the Seas.